The rental floor mat industry has seen few technological advancements over the past 30 years when it comes to washing and drying floor mats. Process of loading floor mats into open pocket washers is dirty, time-consuming, and extremely labor-intensive. Process of cleaning mats uses a significant amount of water in addition to large volumes of natural gas in the drying process. The whole process is a significant source of carbon emissions. For consumers of floor mat services, this carbon footprint becomes part of their Scope 3 carbon footprint. This adds significant additional costs to organizations committed to achieving carbon net zero. Meet CDF Systems' revolutionary one-touch floor mat cleaning system, the future of mat maintenance. With its user-friendly design, feeding the mat washer is effortless and highly efficient. Using built-in water recycling, it consumes 98% less water, promoting sustainability. Our patented water displacement technology dries mats without the need for natural gas, drastically cutting carbon emissions. The CDF system is seen here cleaning 2,500 kilograms of matting per hour with just one operator. It's both labor and eco-efficient. CDF Systems mat cleaning technology has been approved for inclusion as a Scope 3 carbon emission project in the verified carbon credit markets. Monetizing carbon emission reductions is a valuable income stream that adds to the economic benefits of the technology. The automatic rear discharge to auto roll feature completes the process of cleaning, drying, sanitizing, and rolling floor mats with just one touch. With a 95% lower carbon footprint compared to conventional cleaning technologies, CDF Systems is transforming the floor mat industry.